Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video about tweaks I have on my phone because I jailbroke my phone, if you can't see that. But yeah, before I start, I just want to say that if you do want to jailbreak, make sure you do it before iOS 8.1.1 comes out, because I've seen and read that if it comes out and you guys want to jailbreak, it's going to take a while because they patched the jailbreak thing, so they have to find another way around it to open jailbreaking back up. So make sure you jailbreak before iOS 8.1.1 comes out, or you won't be able to jailbreak. So yeah, I do it since November. I'm gonna post this as soon as possible. So as soon as I post this, I'll put a link below on the jailbreak video I used to help me jailbreak this. Yeah. Or I can make one. Just let me know below if you want me to make one. But I will also put one in the link below, just in case it's not up before iOS 8.1 comes out. And yeah, so let's get on with the tweaks. Oh, and before I do it, all of them are 100% free. Alright, so the first tweak is right here. It's called Alkaline. I get paw print up here for my batter percentage, and I used Alkaline for that, and I think it's not autofocus, so just called Animal Battery if you want to get that. It's just a paw print, and it changes colors. The more it goes up, it's like a tealish mint green color, and the more it goes down, it goes like a really dark blue, and then it goes to red, I think. And yeah, it just empties the paw, if you can see that. The paws aren't all my fault. But yeah, you just have this three right here. The one that's checked is the one I downloaded, but the three that are on here are ones that already come with it. So if once you download Alkaline, it'll just have those three. And the tweak I have is called Blurry Badges. I will have like a little writing somewhere around the screen so you guys can see how to spell it and all of that. Which is Blurry Badges. It's red with a number 1 inside of it, and you can just customize where it has like the 1 right here. Where it has badges, you can just customize it so you can have no border, little, medium, pre-iOS 7, or huge. Pre-iOS 7 is the regular circle around it. Or you can have border colors, light, dark, white, black, and random, and I have random. And you just drag this little bar thing to make the bubble brighter or like transparent, all that. The tweak I have is called Classic Dock, and that is right here. And you can just enable it, the mode. So you have like those two. And then you just have like darken behind dock, reflect icons, blur reflect icon reflections, display running indicators, or bounce icon. Alright, then we have cylinder. Cylinder is just like barrel, but it's 100% free. It is the same thing as barrel, it's just free. Yeah, it looks like that. Like that. It just has like a little baby on it. I enable it, and there's different effects, so you can randomize it. So I will just put randomize on. Alright, so the effect I have on now is just called Cube Inside. So let's change it to like spin. And that is that. So it just like moves the app direction and stuff. F.lux or flux, which is right here. And it is just an app, so when you use at night, if you like wake up, or when you're using your phone in the morning, it changes your screen's color. I don't know. It brings down the whiteness to like a yellowish color. This one is called Lock Screen Tool. It's right here. It has like a little lock in a circle. And you can just hide the text, or you can write your own text, which I have my own text written. I have my own text written, and you can hide the camera button, date, time, show clock, and status bar, hide button grabber, hide top grabber, and hide slide to open. Alright, so the notification bar is hidden, but you can still pull it up and down, and so is the notification center. And that is the text I have on there. If it's not okay, it's not the end. And there is a maximum limit on what you can type on there, by the way. So you can't type like really long sayings. It ended where that emoji is. That's why it only says that. The next tweak I have is called Mobius. It's right here. First page. You can just, I only have 2 pages, as you can see. You just keep scrolling and it never stops. You have to add a source. I will leave the source below for this one, and I think there's one more that you have to add a source to. But again, I will leave them in the description, and I will put it across the screen with the word, or what tweak it is. The next tweak I have is no slow animations, and this is this, and you can make them slower or faster. That's how it goes down so quick. It does so quick from no slow animations. The next one is called, it's this little black thing right here. It's Phantom. It's just called Phantom for Snapchat. Alright, so you just take a picture. This is one thing it does. You just have never-ending text. Like that. Or you can, let's see, just write a text. Okay, you can, text effects, you can change the font size, you can change the font color, the background, and then the font itself. Out of this, you can, this little arrow thing, you just do image, and you can add, like, your image, so you don't have to take a picture. Here it is, and down here, there's like an eyeball and an up arrow. I don't know what the up arrow does. And then there's that arrow right here, which I click it to those photos, and I think it saves it. But as you can see, I can just keep viewing it with no stop. That was Phantom, and I think that's really cool that you can do that. So it just gives you unlimited text and all that. And then I have Status Hood 2. I want to donate my status bar up here. That is where my volume controls are now, instead of in the middle of my screen. It does not like some apps. Here, I'll play YouTube for you. So like if I try to lower the volume, it just closes it. I have a type status, which it says typing, and you can have different settings for that, or you have read, then you have different settings for that. That just shows you with iMessage who read it and who is typing. Zeppelin, or Zeppelin, whatever. And that just allows you to change your carrier up here. So if I turn that on, it changes it to Batman, and if you turn it off, it changes it to whatever you want it to be. It's called Eye Cleaner. And it just cleans out, if you have messages on, it cleans out your messages, cleans out Safari, applications. It doesn't like delete them, it just like cleans out the backup data that it doesn't need. It's called keyboard. And if you're wondering what that is, it just makes your keyboard black. And if you guys like that keyboard, where you, for the spotlight search, just changes the keyboard usually to black inside your messages and every other app you have on your phone. It has a source you have to download, so it'll be in the description and across the screen. And yeah, a next tweak I have is called No Ad Store Open. So it's free. It just prevents ads. So say you're downloading a tweak. I've had this before I download this, because I was doing everything before I download this, see what happens. If you don't download this, every time you download a tweak or try to, it will close Cydia and open something in the App Store. What I have is Pandora Skips. So right here, it's just a tweak that allows you to have unlimited Pandora Skips. Swipe selection. You message and say you mess something up, so you just swipe over anywhere on the keyboard, it will drag it, and if you swipe from the up thing, it swipes this way to highlight it, and then if you're over here and you need the back, swipe like that, and you can just copy it, and it's called the Showcase. Showcase, as you can see, they're capitalized now. Now they're lowercase. And the last tweak I have for all of you, if you are wondering how I have like different text, saying Beta Font 2. Just looks like this. And if you open it, it just brings up all of this. It just has categories, and if you just go in here to iOS 7 or anything, it will bring up fonts. And that's how I did it. And then if you go over to Advanced right here, you can set it camera, font, iBooks, keyboard, and system. Yeah, that is going to do it for all of my tweaks on here. If you want to see more tweaks, if I get some in, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, do that as well. It's on one of these sides. But yeah, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, so I'll see you all next video, guys. Bye!